There are several different ways in which we can add images to a page so that they can be viewed in the front end. We can use the text and images content element, which allows us to place one or more images next to a body of text. Then we have the text and media content element, which allows us to place different types of media, including images and video, next to text. And finally, we have the regular image content element, which, as you might expect, allows us to insert only images onto the page. In this short video, we'll look at how we can add images to a page using the text and images content element. But first we need to look at how we upload images to our TYPO3 installation. Images are always stored and managed in the file list module. In my installation, I have two file mounts set up, one for storing documents and the other for storing images. And within my images file mount, I have three separate folders, each used to store different types of images. Even for small projects, it's always a good idea to organize your files and folders so that they are easy to locate. To upload an image, I can either use the upload button or I can just drag the image from my machine into the window. To delete an image, I can right-click on it and select Delete. And if I have multiple images, I can select all of them and then select the Delete icon. Note that if an image is being used somewhere in my installation, TYPO3 will prevent me from deleting it, which is quite handy. Okay, let's go ahead and add an image to a page. I'm going to use the text and images content element, which is probably the most common of the three. Head over to the Images tab and select Add Image. Next, I can add some metadata to my image, including alt text, a description, a title, and I can also add a link to the image as well. Typically, we add metadata when we upload the image in file list, but we can also override it here. As this is a text and images content element, I can also state where my images will sit relative to my text. And if I want to add another image, I just select Add Image again, and then change the order if I need to. So that's how we add images to our TYPO3 version 13 installation. Thanks for watching, and head over to docs.typo3.org to find out more.